Well, we're in a pandemic, and we're concerned about the health and safety of our students, our faculty, and our staff. And obviously, funding is not, infinite. And so when our partners step up and make donations like this for our campus community, it makes a huge difference beyond what they could really imagine.
Well, one thing is my brother attends CSU, so that always helps. And we want to give back as much as we can. It was an opportunity that was presented to us, and we said, why not?
It's extremely important. And again, these type of kits for our faculty, our staff, and our students are going to go a long way. They would not be wasted.
I am a proud TSU community partner.
TSU, thanks FuelUp!